Hi, this is Jared with Acucraft Fireplaces again with the service department. Real briefly, just wanted to describe for you the 24 volt transformer on your system. You'll see that you've got a white and a black wire with your incoming 120 volts, but you'll also notice that you've got a solid yellow wire and you've got a yellow wire with a white stripe, and those are for your 24 volt AC output. It does not matter which way you connect these, whether the white with the stripe goes one way or the other as per your schematic. It doesn't matter. You can flip those around. In fact, you'll see in some of our other videos where I've actually got the white stripe with the yellow connected to this white wire, and the solid yellow wire is connected to the orange wire. Makes no difference.